Dennis, is this month's number? Okay.
Good morning, beautiful people!
Ronnie, ano nagawa mo rito?
I'm back to work. Thanks to Lorena. She's my angel.
Lorena? Ano to?
Si Ronnie na ang bagong marketing manager ng PNL.
Bakit?
Lorena, I'm grateful for giving me the chance to make things right. And salamat din for giving me the opportunity na ma-showcase ulit yung marketing skills ko. At least, for PNL.
Lorena, mag-usap tayo sa office ko. Now.
Ooh.
He looks so pissed. Talaga yun yung bahala sa akin, ha? Defend me. Ilabi mo ako kay Wilfred. Right? Now go. Hinahanap ko na ng asawa. Excuse me.
Lorena! Ano to? Bakit mo hinar si Ronnie? When you know damn well I already removed it from this company. Do you know how stupid I look?
Naawa lang naman ako sa kanya eh. And naisip ko na nung tinulungan niya ako kahapon, wala naman sigurong masama na tulungan din siya. Deserve din naman niya yun, di ba? And don't worry, love. Nakahire naman siya under PNL eh. So you really don't have to work together. Impressive din naman yung resume niya. And tinanong ko yung mga employees ng Pearl Vault. She has outstanding marketing skills. So magiging asset din siya ng PNL, di ba?
Narinig mo sinasabi? Impressive resume? Outstanding skills? What about her character, Lorena? Mas importante yung kaysa sa husay niya? And don't patronize me na hinire mo under PNL na minamanage mo. We are one company, Lorena!
Ibig ko lang naman sabihin, sa akin siya magre-report eh. Love, alam ko may misunderstandings kayo. Alam ko yun. Pero baka pwede muna natin isang tabi yung personal sa trabaho.
Misunderstandings? Is that all that is? Misunderstandings lang yun? Hindi lang misunderstandings yun. Paano mo nasabi na hiwalay ko ang personal? She loves messing with you! With me! With our entire family! Hindi ko talaga maintindihan itong desisyong munto eh. And you know where I stand tungkol kay Ronnie. So hindi ko na paano mo nagawa lahat ng to. Behind my back. I am not okay with this, and I will never be okay with this.
Sige lang, mag-away pa kayo. I'd love to see your relationship crumble. At ikaw naman, galit na galit ka pa rin sa akin? Fine, I'll take that. Because once you learn the truth, siguradong mas kamumuhian mo yung asawa mo.